In this video I'm going to show you the van furniture pod drawer. I'm going to build it and then I'm going to show you it fitted. Wait to the very end to see something that went really wrong. When I bought these units and built them, I didn't video what I did, which is a shame really. I should have. As you can see, there's 3 units that bolt together in the back of the Caddy from van furniture. I decided to carpet them as well. The carpet the tops, you'll see I laid 3mm ply on top, which I bonded. Hopefully you can see that, where I bonded it. And then I was able to carpet it and get a really nice finish. Look over the other side, you can see again. If you look, you can see where I bonded it. And it gives it a nice smooth top. It gives it a nice finish. I've done that all around. Now what I'm going to do today is I am going to fit a drawer in here. Let's have a look and see what's inside. So I've opened up the box and here's all the parts. One very obvious bit missing, the drawer runners. So I've just emailed them to tell them that the drawer runners are missing and see how long it takes to get that sorted out. Anyway, we can carry on building. The drawer flap is going to have to be carpeted anyway, so we'll get on and do that next. Okay, like I said, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the rear flap, or what was the rear flap, it would be the back of the drawer now, carpeted to match the rest of the van. So just using standard no nonsense glue from Screwfix. Gives a damn good shake. I've cut a panel roughly the same shape. I'll lay it underneath, because it don't matter if you get glue on this, because this is the back side that would be glue into this. And you'll see other videos I've shown you how to do some carpeting, so I'm just going to do this quickly. What we want to do then is just line up the edges that you can see. If you're doing it for the first time, don't do it in the wind. The next thing we want to do is just sort of pinch. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm pinching the edge so it goes over. But I'm not doing the corners yet. Pinching it. Turn it around so you can see what I'm doing again. So pinching it. Like I say, I'm not doing the corners until last. if anybody's interested, I will be selling the Caddy in the not too distant future. So if you're looking for a Caddy, which is quite nice, give us a shout. I think what we'll do is we'll put a heavy weight on this and then leave it overnight. So there we are, I was looking for something heavy to put on it and I decided to use the gas bottle. So that's going to now sit there overnight drying, and hopefully the guys from Van Furniture will get back to me and we'll get the drawer runners. Bit of a shame, but hopefully we'll get it in the van for tomorrow night. Van Furniture supply these, I think we call them chop blocks. They're okay, but I much prefer these. I've seen them in a few places now, and this is what I'm going to use. Basically, they sit in the corner and they look a lot tidier. So this is what I'm going to fit onto the drawer unit. Oh, that looks a lot better. Right, so something I should have done at the beginning really, I've done it to the rest of the units, is varnished it. This just saves getting horrible greasy finger marks over the wood. So we finally got the drawer all fitted and it's in, looking nice. There you have a look, see what you think. So here we are, we have a standard gas stove, as you can see. Fits lengthwise, but it's too wide. Hopefully you can see that. And that is just too wide to fit the camping stove in, which is a real shame. We could probably modify the drawer slightly, fit that in, but Van Furniture, if you're watching this, you've really missed a trick. Now if that fitted in snugly, that would have been so much better. So there we are, that's a Van Furniture drawer into the Van Furniture units. Quite like them. However, if that drawer had accepted the stove, I think it would have been better. If you've liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you would as well. See you later. Bye.